So, hi everyone. My topic is ecological restoration and rewilding efforts. So, ecological restoration and rewilding efforts are two complementary approaches aimed at reversing the damage inflicted in ecosystem by human activities. Both strategies seek to rejuvenate natural landscape, restore biodiversity, and enhance ecosystem reverse services, but they differ in methods and specific goals. Ecosystem restoration or ecological restoration is restoring ecosystem to its natural state cost effectively and sustainability. In other words, ecosystem restoration refers to restoring systems that have been damaged or disrupted by human activity or natural causes. Environmental restoration may involve removing invasive species, reintroducing native species, restoring hydrological balance, or any number of different activities intended to improve in an area biodiversity and health. There is a lot of pressure on open spaces and natural resources. These projects can range from efforts of simply involved removing invasive species to more complicated ones like bringing back extinct animals. BYJUS is an ecosystem restoration explains the significance of the restoration of the environment. The process of ecosystem restoration is the deliberate and systematic efforts to recreate or replace an ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. The process of cyclical, where new plants and animals are introduced into the area, followed by predators to keep population in check. The result should be a fully functioning, sustainable ecosystem much before it was disrupted. Ecosystem restoration is essential for many reasons. It helps replenish the number of species in ecosystem. When an ecosystem declines, there are more diseases outbreaks that changes in food webs. Wild animals also struggle to find enough resources. Ecosystems also need restoration because they often fail to recover after catastrophic events. To conclude, restoring the ecosystem plays a vital role in protecting our Mother Earth. By restoring the balance of natural habitats and ecosystem, animals can live in areas that best suit their needs. It is our responsibility as humans to save our nature. Introducing rewilding, a conservation philosophy and practice that seeks to restore ecosystems to their natural self-regulating state by reintroducing key species, reducing human intervention. So, ang ecological restoration and rewilding are both part of human management continuum, from maximum control through medium and light actions. No to human intervention mostly found in regeneration. So, ang importance sa ecosystem restoration, ang ecosystem restoration offers the opportunity to effectively halt and reverse degradation, improve ecosystem services, and recover biodiversity. So, what is ecological restoration? Ecological restoration is the process of assisting the recovery of an ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. The goal is to return the ecosystem to its original state or to a state that is self-sustaining and resilient. So, ang ecological restoration daw, ang ecosystem na siya nga na-damage or na-destroyed. So, ang ilang goal is to recover the ecosystem to ibalik sa ilang original nga state. It involves activities like planting native species and removing invasive species. Para mabalik o ginahinay ang ecological restoration, plant sila o native species and kuon nila ang invasive species para mabalik sa original state ang ecological restoration. What is the main goal of ecological restoration? Ecological restoration aims to restore the ecosystem's function and process, enhancing biodiversity and ensuring the long-term health and stability of the environment. mo na ilang aim nga nang mag-ensure sila sa long-term health and stability of the environment. As the world grapples with accelerating environmental challenges, the concept of rewilding is gaining momentum on evolving to meet new complex and opportunities. Here are some trends and considerations that may shape the future rewilding. Rewilding efforts are increasingly focusing on larger landscape or entire regions. This initiative recognizes that nature knows no boundaries, and restoring connectivity between ecosystem is essential for long-term success. So, ang ano sa rewilding? So, what is rewilding? Ang rewilding is a form of ecological restoration. Form given sa ecological restoration ang rewilding that focuses on allowing natural process to occur minimal human intervention. It aims to restore ecosystem to a wilder state by reintroducing native species. So, ang rewilding form given siya sa ecological restoration but kuan siya kanang at ang ilagi aim is to restore yapon ecosystem to a wilder by imurag ibalik beton nila pag-introduce ang native species kay reintroducing so murag ila ibalik pag-introduce ang native species ang rewilding. So ang both ecological restoration and rewilding is they approach aim to heal and protect the environment. So ang sila duha, ang rewilding o ecological restoration, nag-aim sila nga ma-heal and protect ang ato environment, but they differ in methods and levels of human involvement. So ang sila duha, nag-aim sila nga heal and protect our environment, but lahi sila in methods and levels of human involvement. Lahi lang pamaagi nga para ma-protect and heal atong environment, para ma-protect siya, para di masuko atong Mother Earth. Lahi lang pamaagi sa ecological restoration and rewilding efforts. Lahi lang pamaagi sa pag-protect sa atong environment, lahi lang levels of human involvement. So however, its success depends on global commitment to prioritize and invest in nature restoration. Government must enact policies that supporting rewilding, including protected areas designations, land use planning that promotes habitat connectivity, and regulations that address invasive species and overexploitation. Raising awareness but rewilding benefits and importance it's crucial. Public support can drive will and private investment in these initiatives. So ang ecological restoration and rewilding is same na sila, gamay ra ng kalahian, but same na sila nga protect sa atong environment, tabang protect ma-heal balik, ga-restore balik ba. So ang ilang kalahian lang is ang ilang process or methods, ilang step by step process or methods and levels of human involvement. Lahi ilang pamaagi sa pag-restore sa atong pagbalik sa atong ecosystem nga ma-heal and ma-protect. So that's all for my topic. Thank you guys for watching. See you.